Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Since I was making in Nepali, and yeah, I need to target international audience, so welcome back to a new video of this channel. And today I have a earning application from where you can earn money, and yeah, you can even earn up to $100 and everything. So to download this application, you just need to go in Play Store or App Store and search Roaster on, or I'll give a link in comment box. So after downloading that application, you just need to open this and you will get this type of interface. So you need to log in with your email address, and I have already logged in. So after logging in, you will get this type of interface where there is option of affiliate program, that is also called refer and earn, and you can even enter your friend's referral code in order to earn points. So there is a lot of games and events, so you can play games and you can fill your surveys, and you can complete your offers to get points. And yeah, if you scroll a little bit, you will get enter referral code and more tax. So if you click on enter referral code, you will get this type of interface where if you enter the referral code, you will earn 500 coins. So there is option of more tasks. So if you click on more, you will get this type of interface where you can watch videos in YouTube and earn up to 100 coins, and you can even follow them. You can follow them in Instagram and Facebook. You can follow them in YouTube and on 100 coins. Altogether you will earn 600 coins from these tasks. So if you scroll more, you will get offers from Edgate Media, CPA lead, and you need to complete the more levels. If you reach in higher levels, you will get more points. And there is a lot of exclusive game where you need to spin wheel, flip the coins, addition games, subtraction games. Addition and subtraction games basically means maths games, and watch videos, captcha game, stretch card. If you can even watch videos, this is a slot of ad surveys, or this is slot of ads where there is offer in more task where you need to watch their trailer and you will earn. Both are different from each other. So if you can even do captcha game where you need to verify your captcha and stretch card. I don't need to explain this. And there is a lot of GK quiz where you can earn up to 20,000 coins. So you can even have your referral code and share with your friends to earn 150 to 100 coins. So you will earn 150 coins, whereas your friend will earn 100 coins. So there is option of leaderboard. If you click on leaderboard, you will get the players of this application who are leading this app. And yeah, there is option of profile option where you will get the bonus earnings, levels, referrals, and balance. Talk about how to withdraw this from this application. In order to withdraw, you just need to click on gift option, and you can withdraw in PayPal India, Google Play gift card, PayPal globally, Free Fire Diamond globally. So in order to earn $10, you just need to earn 1500 coins, and in order to earn $0.20, you just need to earn 10,000 coins, and in order to earn $1, you need to earn 15k coins. Thanks so much for watching this video. This is just a review of this application. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.